Hi everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums, and I'm going to show you a new mini album that I have just finished. Now I did use my 5.5 by 7.5 tutorial, so if that interests you, I'll put the link in the description box that tells you all about it. There is a tutorial online. I do have a cut file. You don't need the cut file, you can just follow things online, but some people like to have the cut file. This paper collection is gorgeous. It's fall paper, but it's a digital collection from Traci Redesigns. So let me take you through it and show you all about it. The cover has a couple of different papers layered, and I did make flowers out of the paper. I just use a die to make flowers and stack them up, and yeah, just some pretty flowers. I added some mushrooms in there just to give it a little fall color. Inside we've got a side-loading pocket, and in the pocket is a couple of pieces of ephemera. Now all of this I did print up at my local Staples. I can print at home, but I was just trying it to see how the process worked, and the colors, as you can see, come out nice and vibrant. This page actually allows you to tuck in a photo, or you could just leave a journaling card there. Now the cards do have room on the back to add photos and or journal. I used my Cricut to cut out all these little shapes and things. I do have a video on how to do that, by the way. Alright, so just some more ephemera cards and places to add more photos and journal. Here's another side-loading pocket in the front. Here's one of the cards. And then this opens up like this. This pocket gives you room to put a 4x6 photo or journal on the back. More room for journaling and adding photos. And then this will open like that. This is held down with a magnet. These pages are identical. This will lift up like that. Room there for a 4x4 photo, 3.5 by 3.5, and then of course you can add pictures there. I just made those pages a mirror image of each other. So on this page I just used scraps of paper to add some color to it. Otherwise I use this tone-on-tone orange paper. I have the little cat with a little basket, a little blanket, and it says Simply Fall. There is the Anne of Green Gables book, the socks, and a little teapot. This page is similar to the other one that I just showed you. This has a couple of cut aparts, so there's room to journal there, and room to add a photo, and room to journal. Isn't this bookshelf fabulous? So on this page, there was this page has all these different frames, and they're fun, they're whimsical, and I just love them. So I decided to take them and pop them up with just a little dimensional adhesive. I put a tag in this one and another tag there. You could add a teeny little photo if you wanted to and put it in there. So that slides in like that. And then this will open like that. That gives you room to put a picture. And here is the puppy where it says Autumn Warmth. Room to put a photo there, and then here is another journaling card that just slips inside the pocket. You could put a date there, or just say, here I am snuggled up with Barney the cat, or whatever. This page has room to put a photo. Now you could put a photo on top of here, or have it covering up, wrapped in golden glow. I mean, you might not want to, but you could, because that would look okay. And then this here is a little tuck spot. I need to put something in there. But there is, let me see, can I put this in here? I could. This will open up like that. That gives you a pocket. There's another journaling card and another photo mat. And there is the back cover. I will have a process video showing you how this is made. It's not a tutorial because I already have a tutorial, but I just had gotten a hold of that paper and wanted to make something with it. Thanks so much for watching. Have a fabulous day.